Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making one quick backup so you can undo edits, save and duplicate the current layer. Next, open the View or Window menu and locate the Perspective Grid or Guides control so you can toggle visibility. Once you've found it, activate the Perspective Grid tool or press the Apps shortcut to reveal the grid controls. This gives you direct handles to manipulate, which is faster than hunting through nested menus. Now remove the grid without affecting your artwork by either collapsing it with the on-canvas handles or using View show /hide perspective grid to turn visibility off. If the grid is embedded as vector guides, select those guide objects and delete them. Make sure you're not selecting artwork. When the grid sits on its own layer, simply hide or delete that layer. Doing this preserves other layers. Make sure to check locking and selection filters so you don't accidentally remove content. Finish by saving a copy or exporting your cleaned file so the grid stays removed. If the grid reappears later, reset the workspace or preferences because some apps restore default guides on startup. Choose the reset option in Workspace or Preferences. Also inspect plugins or template files that might inject a perspective grid automatically. If you still see grid artifacts, undo back to the duplicated layer and repeat removal carefully, making sure guide objects aren't nested in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.